So I'm discussing a very important topic, how to add the videos on your WordPress website. We're using for two types. One is a URL, second will be embed code. So first of all, any YouTube channel, you can add the video on your website is a very important. So I'm selecting the video here. This is my video. I'm selecting my YouTube. Just before copy the YouTube URL. Just hold on. I'm clicking for pause. Just I'm go to your site. Right now we have the only for special offer, home, content and blog. In this I'm creating for click for dashboard. I'm creating for pages. First I'm creating for page. Page nothing but I'm creating for demo video. I'm creating for demo video. Select here demo video. So after selecting this demo video, first add your photograph. Anything first important your add your photograph. Select your photograph. After done, copy the your YouTube main URL. Select add media. Here you can call for insert from URL. Copy this URL. So video will display with the text will be here. So this one. This is a video for your adding on your WordPress. So the using for main URL. This is the first option for add the video. Simple we can go option call is add media, insert from URL. When copy this URL, add your address and click for insert into page. Once insert into a page, it will be showing for like this. This is the first step. Second step, go to your video. The option call is share. In the option call is select your embed code. Select your embed code. Embed code purpose, we can redesign for video autoplay purpose. Video autoplay purpose. Now, simple here, I'm selecting for only in this, just write down code, autoplay code. So I'm selecting for iframe code. Here only I'm selecting for ID here. Copy the total code. We can paste option for autoplay purpose. After design this one, we can create this one will be autoplay version. So this is called autoplay version. Copy the URL. Just total iframe code. Select your WordPress dashboard option. Here two options are very important. One is called add your direct file by YouTube URL. Second will be coding base. Coding will be here. Come for text. You can add your see this. Embed code purpose, two reasons. Autoplay for your videos. Second will be changing for height and width your videos. Select. See here. But suppose if you increase your width, increase your width here. If this video will be playing here, no playing. This video will be playing automatically, play for automatically. After that, click for publish. After click publish, you can check here which video is comfortable playing for your channel. Select. So clear? Any video we can play for two reasons. One is called click to play. Second will be automatic play purpose. Automatic play will be using only for embed code. Embed code that is called iframe code. Select your menu bar. Refresh. Demo video. Come into this. Is my image. This is my video. This is my the new video for your options. So this will be play for your particular user coming to your version of mobile and coming to desktop version. This is a video and this is our video. So any people using for embed purpose is called, we can play for automatically purpose. Close it. Update. In this we have only for one video on your this one. So clear? Any website we can add your video will be two ways. One is called autoplay purpose. Second will be non-autoplay purpose. Autoplay purpose using for embed code. The embed code will be here is the option. High frame width 100%, height 350, SRC. The video embed will using for ID is a question mark autoplay is 1, frame border 0. Hello autoplay for this video. This is called two codes we're using for in your autoplay version purpose. This is called audio video WordPress site.